Welcome back to the home of the Generals for tonight's Northern Lakes League matchup. Anthony Wayne playing host to the Northview Wildcats. Stacy, baseline, reverse, got it. Finds Womack, short. Womack gets her on this, puts it up and in. Able to find Revicki, the extra pass. Denman, good look. Ray again. Got it again. Leggett puts it on the floor. The spin and the finish. Pretty move from the big man.
And look at the explosion by Williams. Tipped in on the follow-up. That one, Tavion McDonald.
And get another one.
And a look going reverse off the window and in. They were within 6, but now that lead has started to balloon here. And that's the answer right there. More Vinny Guerrero. Randall was waving his hands. That one all the way from the river. My Lord.
Miller comes up with it, enters the zone, swings around, pass to Barfeld, extra pass. Wood scores, and Northview has taken the lead. That line produced the goal, a shot up in the air, and a rebound score. Jeffrey Wood has his second of the night, 5th of the year. Northview has sealed up their first Red Division win.
Oh, Metsopoulos, what a play along the sideline. Wells back defensively, he spots it. Oh, what a play from Jaquil Wells. Count the basket for Harris. He really suckered Gary Batch into committing a foul there with a spin on the baseline. Neal, showtime!
Steady hand of Jaquil Wells, handling the basketball, facilitating scoring.
Oh!
And that time in the defensive end with an emphatic block from behind. Yeah, congratulations, St. Francis, kind of get the monkey off their back after 19 defeats.